Here we have a 2017 BMW 320d M Sport. Now with this vehicle you do get the 19-inch alloy wheels, complemented by the blue M Sports calipers just behind. We've got the Estoril blue metallic exterior paintwork, which looks absolutely fantastic. You've also got the M Performance kit on this vehicle, the styling kit, which includes front splitter, side skirts, and of course the rear spoiler, which we'll see shortly. Black kidney grills at the front. We've then got our colour-coded wing mirrors and door handles. Black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Shark fin antenna on the top just there. Now coming to the rear, there's a look at the spoiler. Really sets the back end off nicely. Now you've also got a reversing parking sensor with visual display inside, dual exit exhaust tips on the left hand side just there, and as you can see the vehicle itself is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. Now going on to the interior next, we'll start at the rear. We've got the full leather interior, and how great does it look in here. Now ISO fixed points within the seats, fold down armrest in the centre. We've got the integrated speakers on the door with the blue accents. We've also got 12-volt connectivity in the centre and storage nets behind the front seats, brushed metal handle and electric window controls just there as well. Stepping into the front now, we've got the same full leather interior, and how great do these seats look. Now these seats are heated, which the controls are for just there. You've then got your Harman Kardon sound system, electric window controls, electric wing mirror controls, again brushed metal handle, auto lights on your right just there. Now let's just step inside real quick. We'll start the vehicle up, find the brake, start button, and we are away. Features like speed limiter, cruise control, phone controls and volume controls on the steering wheel. We've got the paddle shifters as well for taking manual control, auto wiper stalk on your right, auto high beam assist on your left. In the middle, you've got features on the infotainment screen, such as satellite navigation, different forms of media connectivity. We've also got our phone connectivity to make calls or listen to music. Put the car into reverse, you've got a visual display of your rear parking sensor. You've also then got different driving modes like Sport Plus, Sport, Comfort and Eco, so you can pick and choose which one best suits your driving style at a time. Now coming down, stereo controls with traffic alerts on the left, dual zone climate controls just below, heated seat controls on either side there. We've also got ice cold air conditioning with convenient shortcuts like the Max AC just there. Storage below with two good sized cup holders and 12-volt connectivity in the centre. Traction control, different mode selects. We can also take manual control like so with the gear stick, shortcuts, control wheel and the touchpad again for the infotainment screen with the ProNav system. Soft touch leather armrest in the centre, which does double up as storage. Now the vehicle is ready to drive away today with free next day nationwide delivery, competitive low finance, a fresh service, fresh MOT, and it's also HPI clear. That is all from me on today's video. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this BMW 320d. Now the purpose of this video today is to show you that the car drives exactly how you'd expect it to. For example, now I'm not having to wrestle with the steering wheel to keep the vehicle in a straight line. I'll also go through some of the vehicle's features, demonstrate that they work exactly how they should. Starting off, we do have both speed limiter and cruise control on the steering wheel just here. To activate cruise control, I'll simply press the cruise control button, push up on the trigger, and we're now cruising at our current speed. To deactivate this, I can simply press the cruise control button again or apply pressure to the brakes and we're back to normal control. We've then got our gear changes, so I'm currently in 8th gear, 7th, 6th, 5th, 4th, 5th, 6th and 7th. Back into automatic now. Now as you can tell through those gear changes, completely seamless transitions, no jerky motions, no unwanted sounds, all working exactly as you would expect. Now there is plenty of great features in this vehicle to talk about. Of course, starting with the infotainment screen on here, you'll find features like Bluetooth connectivity, DAB radio. We've also got our Harman Kardon sound system that pairs up with it all, which which sounds absolutely fantastic. Of course, then we've got the full leather interior, which is incredibly comfortable, looks great, and is as well heated, so perfect for those cold British mornings we're currently facing. Now here at RS Car Sales, we have been doing deliveries for the last 3 to 4 years, as well as free next day nationwide deliveries for the last 2 years as well. We're a 5-star dealership too. If you look online, we've got over 300 5-star reviews on Google and Autotrader alone, as well as many others on other car sites like Car Gurus. So if you go online, check out these reviews, you'll see that our customers really do reiterate the fact that we are a dealership that cares. Really do want you to have such a good buying experience from ourselves that you would recommend us to your friends, to your family, and even come back to us when the time is due for your next vehicle purchase. Now you can find us on social media as well. We are on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube and TikTok, so make sure to follow us on any of those platforms. Keep up to date with all the latest stock we get in and see what we get up to at RS Car Sales. Now I'm about to turn right into the industrial park where I'll perform an emergency brake, put the vehicle into reverse, and then also drive over a speed bump. So we'll just cross it now. Emergency brake in 3, 2, 1. There we go. Very sharp on the brakes just there. We'll just wait for that car to pass. There we go. Straight into reverse, no problems at all. And then we'll also drive over the speed bump. There we go, completely free from any knocks or bangs throughout this whole journey, which of course you would be listening out for if you were here with me today. So this is usually where you'd be extremely happy with the vehicle. You'd want to come inside, see what kind of deal you could work out. Obviously you're not here at the moment, but do feel free to get in touch. Appointments are welcome should you wish to come and view the vehicle in person. Part exchanges are also welcome. Just let us know the make, model and condition of the vehicle you're wishing to part exchange. And if there is anything we have missed in either the online photos, video walk around or this video test drive, again, feel free to get in touch and one of the team would be more than happy to help you out. That is all from me on today's video. I hope you found this video useful and we'll hopefully hear from you soon. Cheers.